Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to watch UFC live on mobile. Alright, so let's begin. If you're a fan of MMA and want to keep up with fights, highlights, and upcoming events, there are a few easy ways to access official UFC content directly from your device. Start by opening your device's app store and search for the official UFC app. Download and install it if you do not already have it. If the app is already installed, make sure it is updated to the latest version so you have access to the newest features and content. Once the app opens, sign in to your account or create one if needed. Inside the app, you'll find sections for fight highlights, news, upcoming events, and available live content. Depending on the event and your region, some live broadcasts may require a subscription or pay-per-view purchase before access is granted. You can also browse event schedules and upcoming fight cards to see what content is available. Keep in mind that access to certain live UFC events may vary based on broadcasting rights and subscription requirements. After signing in and selecting an event, you can begin watching available UFC content directly from your mobile device and stay updated on the latest fights and MMA coverage. And that's it. This is how you can watch UFC live on mobile. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.